Hey guys, got a new unboxing here of a Apple Watch Series 6. So I've originally had I started at the Apple Watch Series 2 and I went to the Series 4 after that, and now this is the Series 6. So I've always had the bigger size, the 44mm. This year I have opted for the same size. This is the stainless version. It's the graphite stainless, so it's the new color like the iPhone 12 Pros are coming out. So this is the graphite watch. I have got the graphite iPhone 12 Pro as well, so if you want to check out the unboxing for that and what that looks like, just jump onto the channel. It's all on there. The Apple Watch Series 6 is a little bit of a step up from my Series 4. As you guys probably know, it's now got an always-on display, which came with the Series 5. And it also has the Series 6 features now, which is the blood oxygen sensor and a few other bits and pieces. So let's get this out. I've got as you can see right here, the graphite stainless steel case, 44mm. And this is a little bit of a smaller package as well this year on the watch, as well as the phone. So it doesn't come with the power adapter anymore. You can see here it just says power adapter sold separately. So it's only the Apple Watch and charging cable and whatever band you choose, because now you don't have to pick a specific band with a watch. You can swap and change whatever you want in store or online. Now, this has the same packaging still as the Series 4. So we just pop these sides here. So the stainless steel watches come with cellular. So this is standard with cellular. You got the nice colors of all the different bands and watches in there. There's the new blue, gold. And so I've opted for the leather loop in black. Was my choice for bands because I don't have a leather loop. I've got a sport band, I've got a Milanese, and I thought, you know what, for the extra $60 or $70 that it costs to get the leather band, I thought I'd give it a go. So we'll get this, I'll just get that out of the way. It's that's why. I need to rip the little security tabs off the side. Get rid of those. And then hopefully it comes out. Let's see how we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, it comes in a different color. The Series 4 came with a charcoal colored bit of microfiber on that one. So your typical Apple Watch instructions in there. Gives you a bit of a guide how to put the bands on and how to charge the watch with the magnetic puck. Shows you a couple of things about your watch face, digital crown, and the side button. And your regulatory information on that. Nothing else in there. Nope. Okay, so we've got the charging cable. Now I'm pretty sure if it's the same as the Series 4, it'll come with yes it does. So it comes with a stainless surrounded magnetic charging puck. I think the normal aluminium ones come with just a white plastic all the way around, so it's a nice little premium touch when you purchase a stainless watch. And so this is the new color. I'm pretty excited about this. Let's get it out. Oh, it's very, very snug fit there. And there we go. So that is the new graphite color right there. I had the space black stainless steel Series 4, and I have to admit the space black blended in a lot better with the screen, because it just sort of looked like all one watch the whole way around, and this one definitely stands out a little bit more. Might look a little bit classier. And there's the new back of the Series 6. So we've got the new heart rate sensor, the new blood oxygen sensor, and the normal ECG sensor around there, which we can't use in Australia still yet, which is unfortunate. Hopefully they bring that to Australia soon. We've only been waiting since the Series 4, so let's hope that they bring that pretty quick. And yeah, that's the whole thing. It's very nice. The weight it feels exactly the same as my Series 4. I think looking at it, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference except for the new color. It's got the same digital crown, same side button, same band attachment area, same portholes even, I think, as a Series 4. Don't think it's changed at all. So yeah, that's the Series 6 Apple Watch in graphite stainless. We'll get the band out next. So this is the leather loop. I'll just take that seal off. And there it is. So this band just works by, that connects to the watch, that connects to the watch on the other side, and then this is just the loop style. So this isn't the newest leather band that Apple does. They didn't have that one in stock when I bought this. So that just goes through there and loops back around like it shows in that photo. It's a very, I tried it on at the shop and it's a very, very comfortable band. I have had third-party leather loops before, purchased on eBay or the likes, and they don't compare to the real leather from Apple. It's just not even comparable. The sides on some of my cheaper ones all frayed off, and apparently these ones don't, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that's the Apple Watch Series 6, guys, with paired with the leather loop. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'll do a review and comparison on the Series 6 versus the Series 4, so you can check that out on my channel in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.